Hey there! Ever had your Roborock S6 MaxV robot vacuum give up on mopping and just wander around aimlessly? Does it seem like your floors are still dirty no matter how many times you run it? Need help with your robot vacuum? Don't sweat it, we've got you covered. Let's dive into how we tackled this problem and got your trusty robot vacuum back in action. So, a customer reached out to us with a Roborock S6 MaxV robot vacuum that had decided to quit mopping altogether. They mentioned that the robot wasn't getting any water to the mop and wanted us to check if everything else was working properly too. Challenge accepted! When we took a closer look, the robot vacuum was as dry as a desert, no water coming out when it tried to mop. Not a drop. Sounds like a problem. We dove deeper and discovered the culprit: faulty water dispenser. Yeah, the heart of the mopping mechanism was on strike. We recommended a replacement for the water dispenser, but since this robot vacuum is quite old, we also suggested a deep cleaning service. We'd dismantle and clean everything inside so it could perform like new again. Once we had the customer's thumbs up, we got to work. We didn't stop until we had run all the tests to ensure that the robot vacuum was back to its maximum performance. And voila! Now, the Roborock S6 MaxV robot vacuum is now performing like it's brand new. The mopping's back in action, and the robot vacuum's performance is top-notch. Having trouble with your robot vacuum? Reach out to us today and let's get it back in tip-top shape.